Scalp detox steps take 5 mark.
Hi, I'm Helen Reavey, founder of Act+Acre. Too fast. Our cold-processed stem cell serum uses apple stem cells to help reduce hair thinning, scalp dryness, and hair fallout. The stem cell is applied directly to your scalp after showering on cleansed hair. And it comes with this cool little button and pipette. Press the button like that and release the button. Voila! Through your parting, you're going to do 1 to 2 drops, maybe 3. 1, 2, 3. Do the same on the other side. So I'm using probably about 3 to 4 pipettes for the whole scalp. Make sure you get a little bit around the crown area and back. It helps fight against sun damage and pollution. It's so nice and hydrating, and so smooth. Actually, you can even put it all over your face. This is our scalp Gua Sha, a widely practiced therapeutic healing tool. It stems from Chinese traditional medicine. It promotes microcirculation, it massages the scalp for increased product absorption, and it helps with tension and overall relaxation. Once you've applied your favorite scalp treatment, you're going to follow with the Gua Sha tool. You're going to use the combing action starting on the forehead, just gently tracing over the scalp all the way down throughout the whole scalp. I feel little tingles already. So just follow the scalp the whole way around, like so. And very gentle with this. You don't need to apply too much pressure. Use the back of this and you're going to drain through the lymphatic drainage here. And through here on the same side, on the other side.